Okay, so just a quick probability video on explaining the AND rule and the OR rule. So the main crux of it is, if you're trying to find the probability of two things happening, this and that, you multiply them together. Okay, multiply the probabilities together. If you're trying to find the probability of this or that happening, then it'll be the OR rule. Okay. So, for example, if I were to roll a dice, so roll a dice and get a 2 twice. Okay, what's the probability, first of all, of rolling a dice and getting a 2 once? Standard 6-faced dice. It'd be a 6th. Okay, so a 6th to roll that 2 once. If we were to roll it again, and for it to come out as a 2 once more, we would have to multiply the probabilities. So rolling a 2 is the probability of rolling a 2 times by the probability of rolling a 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay? So that is the very, very basics of the AND rule. If we were to think about this or that happening, so if we were to roll a dice and get a 1 or a 2, for example. Probability of rolling a 1 is a 6th. Probability of rolling a 2 is, of course, a 6th as well. Okay, so this rolling a 1 or a 2, you add them together, which is 2/6 or a third. Okay, so this and that would be the AND rule. This or that OR rule, we add them together. And I've got to be really careful about how I say OR rule. OR rule. Okay, let me get another example just quick. Okay, so here's another quick example with the same outcomes, but this time it's and OR. Okay, so roll a 6 and flip tails. These things both have to happen. What's the probability that they both happen? So roll a 6 is of course a 6th, and flip tails, flip a coin, it is 1/2. Okay, and happening, we've got to multiply them together. 1 times 1 is of course 1. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, roll a 6 or flip tails. Okay, roll a 6 or we use and plus. Flip tails is a 1/2, and this time, of course, you make your denominators the same. What do 6 and 2 both go into? They both go into 6. That turns into, whoops. So 1/2 turns into 3/6. Add them together, we get 4/6. If you want to simplify that, 2/3. Okay, that's some very, very, very quick examples. It goes into a bit more detail when we look at probability trees. Thank you very much.